Storm Door Guy here, and today we're installing an Andersen full view storm door. I've got it already set, but I wanted to point out these little screw covers here. If you're trying to put these on, they can be a real pain in the neck. Let me show you a couple of easy ways to get it on. Number one, you want to take this edge and stick it on and then just push. You hear a pop. That means this guy is on. But sometimes you don't have good finger strength or it's just a pain in the neck. A quick, easy trick is use a carpenter pencil. I would cut the paint off so you don't leave orange marks or blue, whatever color you're using, and just push it on the edge here. And this helps you get the pressure you need to pop these guys into place. Do that all the way down, like so. Move the doorbell out the way. And I'm also keeping my finger here just to keep the other edge guided in. Run it all the way down, and you can hear that pop. That's a good noise. That means it's clicking in. And you can also, again, use your finger if you don't want to use the pencil. There we go. The pop at the end means you did it well. There you go. For this and more tips and tricks, visit stormdoorguy.com or follow me on YouTube or across all social media at stormdoorguy.com. Comment below if you have any questions.